Good day everyone, my name is Lo Jinze and my number matrix is 158046. I am going to do the assignment of the REG161 building construction. Now I am going to introduction to the technical drawing tools that I am using in my assignment. Firstly, we are using the set square. Set square is used to draw a vertical line. Set square got two angles, that is 30 degree and 45 degree. Next, this is the scale ruler. Scale ruler have 5 types of the scale. Next, this is the masking tape. Masking tape is used to fix our paper on the surface on the table of the drawing board, so that they will not easily to type when we are drawing. Next, this is the dusty eraser. This helps us to do the correction if we are doing mistakes. Next, this is the pencil that we are using to draw the construction component. We are using different grade of the pencil when we are drawing the different of the building component. Lastly, this is the T-square. T-square helps us to draw the horizontal line on the paper with the above the drawing board. Later I will show on the video that I draw. Thank you.